Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can export a part of your video on CapCut PC. It is actually pretty simple. Here I'm just going to select a video off of a library, for instance this scenery one. So I only want to export this part, so I'm just going to split it, and for instance I'm going to split it here, and I only want to export this part. Going to right click and you're going to select range, select an area by clip. Then you're just going to simply select the export button here, and once you've exported it, as you can see, it's only going to be this, how many seconds this is. I'm just going to select export, and as you can see, it only exported the video, the clip that I've selected. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!